Just a little update video on the old R. Last little clip I made about it, it sounded like the thing was fixing to blow up. And I thought maybe it was the clutch, so I got that all off and everything there looked real good. And so then I thought, well, I wanted to look at the rod bearing, so I was fixing to pull the little motor so I could get that cover off right there. And I thought, well, maybe I'll check the flywheel, because I had that on my A come loose. Look at that sucker. And yeah, sure enough, it was clear loose. The two big bolts here, here, they were tight. I mean, they were hard to get off, but you could wiggle this on here and hear it. I took it right off, took the keys out, cleaned them up. I couldn't find new ones, so I just flipped them over and put them back in. Tightened everything back up. It actually tightened up. I put the lock ring on here, got it tighter than before, dented that in on both sides, and yeah, can't wait to get it back together here and see what it sounds like. Excited not to have to pull the pony motor off, I guess. Though we might be looking into something here yet, because I'm not sure where it was leaking oil from, but last time I ran it here, it leaked its oil out. Something fierce. And I guess I watched that they can leak on the rear main seal, which would be like between these halves here. There's a little inspection cover on the other side I could pull, I suppose, and check it out. But we'll tackle that if it's nice and quiet here. That'd be good. All right.